Chapter 3 Celebrating Festivals. Festival of Flowers. My name is Rishi. I am from Jammu. I am traveling to the Himalayas with my parents. We are going to visit my mama, mother's brother, mami, mama's wife, and my cousins, Chia and Nonika. They live in a small village near the mountains. We are traveling by bus. I'm enjoying the bus ride and the view outside the window is beautiful. The roads have hairpin turns and the hills are covered with colorful flowers. Far off, I can also see a variety of tall trees. After some time, we reached the bus stop near my mama and mommy's village. We got down. Mamaji was there to receive us. We started on a broad concrete road, which later led to a narrow mud road closer to their house. As we entered the main gate, I could see a row of colorful flowers in their garden. I could recognize and name a few of them like rose, marigold, and hibiscus. However, I was amazed by the beauty of the flowers, which was unlike anything I had seen before. Please, can you tell me the names of these flowers? I asked Nonika. Pointing to a flower, Nonika said, "This flower is a tulip." Mommy then called the children in for lunch. All of them had a Kashmiri dish hak, a kind of a leafy vegetable with hot rice. It was really tasty. Do you know we have a Kashmiri tulip festival at this time of the year? Said Nonika over lunch. We too have lovely red flowers that bloom in spring at our place. They are called buranj. Rhododendron, I said. I told Chia and Nonika about the spring festival that we celebrate at our place. I shared with them how we place mustard and buranj flowers at the doorstep of each home in our neighborhood. The elders bless us and also give us toffees and sweets. Chia said excitedly, "My friend Unni from Kerala celebrates a festival called Vishu at this time. They use a lot of yellow amalthus flowers, fruits, and vegetables to make Vishu Kani." Mummy joined in and said, "Spring is a celebration of nature. After the harsh winters, the sun shines brightly and we see flowers blooming around us, the grass growing and the new leaves in the trees." I shared with Mami, Chia, and Nonika how happy I feel when I see the beautiful and colorful flowers around me. We returned home after a few days. It was a wonderful vacation and visit with family. Sing and enjoy. Oh, spring is in the air. Happy children are everywhere. New leaves appear on the trees as flowers sway in the breeze. The sun shines bright in the sky. Squirrels and birds share the joy. Spring is here. Let's dance and sing. Hope and cheer to all it will bring. Do you know? The most majestic mountains in the world lie in the northern areas of India and are known as the Himalayas, meaning home of snow. The highest mountain peak in the world is Mount Everest, and it lies in our neighboring country, Nepal. The height of Mount Everest is about 8,848 meters. Do you know Sarhul, a spring festival? The Sarhul festival is also celebrated in the spring season of the year in Jharkhand. People wear their traditional clothes and walk in a procession to the sakua tree. They carry freshly germinated grains and sakua flowers. Offerings are made to the earth and the sun with reverence and gratitude. They celebrate Sarhul by singing and dancing together to the tune of drums, dole, nagada, etc., and other local musical instruments.